There's OE, and then there's better than OE, and in this episode of Inside the Brands, we'll take a look at a sensible part upgrade for a wide range of popular BMW models. Hi, I'm Alex Aguchi, a product manager at Rein Automotive, and I'm excited to introduce to you another part that falls into the better than OE category. Specifically, I'm talking about the water pump pulley found on some BMW 3, 5, X3, and Z series models, such as the older E36 and E46 chassis. These are considered great driving cars, so you still see a lot of them out there. In fact, there are around 1 million cars still on the road. But the inline 6 motors that came in these cars have an OE water pump pulley that's made out of plastic. So in the heat and stress of the engine bay, the pulley can experience wear and can shred the belt. Another thing that can happen is that the plastic pulley cracks when you unbolt it during belt replacement. If either of these situations occurs, it's a good idea to use the Rein Automotive replacement. Sold as a kit, this pulley comes with an OE ContiTech belt and all the mounting hardware required. But as you can see, this one is made out of metal and not plastic, so it's a lot more robust and promises a much longer service life than the original. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you have a question about these water pump pulleys or any other Rein Automotive parts, feel free to post it below or on the Rein Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to know about new parts like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.